a 1984 Chevy pickup long bed with a 350 in it. Decent cam in it. It's completely rebuilt. It has a 700 R4 transmission in it. It's also being completely rebuilt with a shift kit. The paint is just something that I did myself. It's just flat black, and I did the flames myself, just a rat rod project. It has Krager SS mags on it all the way around. The two front tires are practically brand new BF Goodrich radial TAs. The rear mags are the Firestone Firehawks. These are offset set of rims. The back tires are wider than the front, give you that extra grip. Body is in fantastic shape. You won't need to do any really body work unless you want to do the back tailgate. Has a couple little places in it, but other than that, she's in perfect shape. So if you want to repaint it and redo it, then that's all up to you. Motor, show you real quick the inside is the seat. There's no tears in the seat except for the little scuffs right here on the end. Other than that, blue interior. Dash is, you know, a little old and weathered, but the speedometer works. Headlights are good, turn signals, all that good stuff. There's the engine. Okay. And this truck is, like I said, it's a very nice motor. It's been completely rebuilt with a cam, all new rings, the whole 9 yards. So there's no air conditioning, okay, but it is a very good running truck. I'm gonna have my son hold this for me while I start it up for you.
Whoever gets this truck, it's a beautiful baby. Beautiful, beautiful.
So as you can see, it's got lots of power. So if you want to pull anything with it, you can pull it. If you want to just have fun with it like I have, then you can just go run around with it. So, if you're interested, give me a call. Cash only. Don't take any, no cashier's checks, no checks. Cash only. Possible trades, maybe, if you got something like, you know, a 60s muscle car or something like that you've been working on. That's a possibility. You know, Chevelles, Camaros, El Caminos, Dusters, Challengers, anything like that. So, thank you.